You're not early, just in time for the mess. Welcome to my side of the screen. Hello everyone. This was the video that I was going to make. And like मैं वैसे भी ये वीडियो बनाने वाली थी. This is practically my 7th retake because हर बार like whenever I start to shoot कोई ना कोई मेरे गेट से बीच में आके मुझे इंटरप्ट कर देता है या किसी ना किसी को कोई ना कोई काम पड़ जाता है तो मेरा वीडियो बीच में रह जाता है. तो मेरा sorry guys, don't mind. So this was basically a story time video. Like I had nothing to do right now because obviously as I told you guys पहले भी कि मेरा like कॉलेज स्टार्ट हुए नहीं है, मेरा कॉलेज स्टार्ट हुआ नहीं है, and I was thinking what to make a vlog on or what more content can I make, and then I came across Apurva Mukhija and I realized that well, there's the content. I needed to talk about her. I was actually going to yap about her to someone else, but that someone else has not been picking up my calls, so I'm gonna yap it to you guys. So what happened is like अभी बज रहे हैं practically 6 and 6:20 पे मेरे को basketball class जाना है. I don't even know why I'm applying this because you're not really supposed to go out after applying this, and you're not exactly supposed to speak much either after applying this. But anyways, I needed to yap and I also had some stuff to do, so yes, why not? So back to Apurva Mukhija. So what I was saying is that I have never in my life been a die-hard fan of something or someone ever, like at all. Okay, and that is why it was very weird for me because even Taylor Swift, okay, like I have friends that call her Mother Swift. Like I'm like, bitch, what? Like I don't know, like I just don't get the die-hard fans ever. By the way, just for the record, I'm still not a die-hard fan of anybody because I just feel that it's really stupid. Like being a die-hard fan of someone is just stupid. Like what are you gonna do, defend a human being on every action they do? Like how is that possible? But I realized that I wasn't really a fan of anybody either. Like not even die-hard, I wasn't even a fan of anybody either, like except for a little bit Alia Bhatt and Deepika Padukone. I don't know. So yeah, I mean, I know it's a very controversial way to, you know, point out celebrities because seriously Alia Bhatt and Deepika Padukone with Ranveer in between. So like, okay, never mind. That's why I loved watching their controversies because none of them was wrong for me. I was a fan, you know, I was a fan. So like, yes. So this thing happened and like, do not mind how I apply this because this is not the normal Upton or something, so I just do whatever I want to with it. So I wanted to talk about Apurva Mukhija. Let's get back to the point. Yes, this is one of the very big problems of mine. Like I just cannot get to the point or stick to the point. But okay, anyways, let's get back to the point. So I was talking about Apurva Mukhija. Like before the latent controversy, guys, like I found out her channel before the latent controversy, alright? Like latent controversy बहुत में हुई थी एंड उससे काफ़ी पहले मुझे अपूर्वा मुखीजा का चैनल मिल गया था बट एंड आई वाज सब्सक्राइब टू इट बट आई नेवर रियली वॉच्ड इट. Okay, because like yeah, why would I watch it? It wasn't that entertaining for me. Like yeah, उस टाइम पे वो जो कंटेंट पोस्ट करी थी that was mostly उसका बॉयफ्रेंड वाला controversies and as far as I remember उसके travel vlogs which were a lot of them were with Rida and a lot of her friends and I loved watching those travel vlogs. I used to watch most of her content on Instagram. Okay, so I was like very invested. I wasn't very invested, like you know, I wasn't very invested, my bad, in her content or what she posted at all because it was just not relevant to me. Like I liked watching her travel vlogs but not so much that I would be so invested in it, and I was never invested in her, you know, life, like daily life drama at all. Like I did not care uska breakup kyun hua and stuff, although let's just admit, I did Google it just like you all did. Okay, I did Google why she broke up with that person. I don't even remember the name. I'm pretty sure nobody does, but yes, so that person, let's say, got famous because of Apurva Mukhija, with that is what I believe, because I have never seen or known anything. So let's just like, I won't comment on him. I won't comment on him. I won't comment on him. Okay, so that is what Apurva Mukhija was for me, just a random creator. But after the latent controversy, I have been like, very invested in the whole latent drama, that what was happening, why was it happening, and all of that. So like, I used to like question that why was everyone just behind Apurva Mukhija, like Ranveer Alabala was there. A lot of people criticized him, but जितना हेट अपूर्वा मुखीजा डिजर्व कर रही थी उससे बहुत ज़्यादा उसे मिल रहा था फॉर सम रीज़न. लाइक आई डोंट इवन नो द रीज़न. ठीक है, लाइक पीपल जस्ट हेटेड हर फॉर सम रीज़न. And I was not okay with that. I was like, bro, like, what the fuck? Why are people hating it? That is why I actually started watching her videos more and more. And that's when I came across her story times, and she was talking about that Thailand trip of hers and something like that. So I really, like, I really thought like this would be my future self. Because I've known myself right now. I know myself right now. I've known myself in the past. And I feel like there are a lot of similarities between our personalities. Okay, like, I don't know, maybe I'll grow up to be someone entirely different. Maybe I am someone entirely different. I just related somehow on a subconscious level. I relate to her very much. Like, I cannot even explain how much I relate to her. Okay, so that is the thing. And uske baad, what happens is I saw her videos and all of that, and I feel like that is the type of girl I would like to be in a fan club of. Like, if I were to be in a fan club, I would rather want it to be Apurva Mukhija's. Like, I just love people who just, get away from the societal expectations, like who just say fuck you all and just move on with their lives. So, and also make money at the same time. Like, she's not dependent on someone, first thing. She is not like really answerable to someone, second thing. And third thing, bhai wo bandi kitni chill hai. Like, she's so cool of a person. She's so chill, she's so cool. And I was so like, I don't even know that person. Like, I don't even know her, but I was internally very proud of her. Like, I was like, yes girl, you go. So like, that's how my, I won't say like fan, like what do you say, like what do you say, fanship? Yeah, so that's how my fanship began to grow for Apurva Mukhija. And well, at this point, Prajakta Kohli and Apurva Mukhija finally inspired me to start my own YouTube journey, YouTube channel. And yeah, like I cannot really do, like, one thing that I think differs from me and Apurva, one thing that I think differs from me and Apurva, one thing that I think differs from me and Apurva, a very major thing. A lot of things differ, but a very major thing, personality wise bhi or वैसे भी, is that she is a very, fashion oriented person, and I am a very just wear whatever you want to wear and go away type of person. See, I am not saying that, oh, I and Apurva are the same. We are not. I just said that I relate to what she says a lot. Okay, so like that. So I feel like maybe someday in life I'll also make story times describing how a lot of things have traumatized me. And like, I don't know, it's just really fun watching her now. And I don't even know why I'm yapping about that, but I just wanted to talk about something. And मेरे साथ ये problem है ना, मैंने like literally, I love talking, I just absolutely love talking, but मैंने इससे पहले 5 takes लिए. I was supposed to talk about something entirely different, something not even related to Apurva, but मैं just उसका story time देख के आई थी, and वो 4-5 videos जो मैंने इससे पहले लिए थे, unme, I wasn't talking about this topic. My motive of creating this video was entirely different. Like, I wanted to have an entirely different conversation, but the minute I switched on the camera for the 6th time, like 5th time में तो interrupt ही हो गई थी मैं, 6th time में जैसे ही मैंने camera start किया, this is what flowed out of my mouth, and I thought, why not? Like, why not? Let me just record myself, anything that I say. So like, I just wanted to see, actually I wanted to check, like, am I actually that entertaining? Because a lot of people have told me that the way I talk sorry, the way I talk is like quite annoying to some, quite entertaining to some, and I love both. Like, I love entertaining people and I also love annoying them at the same time. So I thought, why not just, like, gap around on YouTube a little bit? Maybe I'll gain some followers, maybe I'll gain some subscribers. I'm so sorry for that slip of tongue. Maybe I'll gain some subscribers, maybe I'll gain some new views. So yep, that's it for now. I don't think I'm gonna post this anyway, but if I do, so I don't know, please like it. Don't if you don't want to. No pressure.